Awesome trade, guys. Two trades, beautiful junction, huge money. 35,000 calls trading at 590. We'll buy at market price only if we are getting above this. Yeah, we buy it with smaller stop losses, 20-point stop loss this time. It will be volatile trade, so keep in mind and trade. $598 plus. So anybody wants to buy and bought and dip, you must just scalp out. 600, 614, 615. So scalp out. So book your positions maximum 70-30 ratios. Easily we'll get 40-50 points more if we raise up. Easily 40-50 points you want to get. 660 it should reach. 660 ranges, 650 ranges it will reach easily. 619, 618, 627, 633, 634, 640. Let me book some good volume. Place your limit orders and book. 35,000 calls. Beautiful side. 640 plus 642, 643. Guys, plan your booking. Don't make any mistakes. Plan your booking well. 650 plus 655, 3500 calls. Easy go. Even late buyers, you would be making good money. So I'm done. A beautiful trade. 659 is the high. 35,500 puts trading at 482, 478. Okay. Why should you not a small try over here? Thinking. Still not happy with these performances. 15-point stop loss. Anybody wants to take risk can take the risk. Let me put my stop loss first. So if you have made a good money in first trade, second trade you can take a small risk. If not, it is not a necessary trade. If you required it, you want to make it. Otherwise, don't touch it. It is all about you and what's your need and what's your greed and what's your hunger. It will be 1:1, 1:2x, 1:3x trade, or it may hit stop losses. So you want to be ready while you're touching it. So it's not a bad deal. It's really okayish good deal. It's not looking okay. Okay. No, it's not too much supporting. I think it's going to support more. It may come down slightly down, fooling out everyone. Whatever they want, they can do it today. It's completely it's in the hand of operators today. 490 plus 492, 493, 494, 495. So let me make some booking in the markets. 498. Yeah, I'm booked 1:1, 70%, 30% I'm holding with stop losses. 500, 502, 503. Raging up. 504, 505. So 922 on the second trade. Wow. 508, 509, 5010, 514, 510, 13, 14. Let me book one more slab. So rest of the volumes, whatever you're holding, trail your stop loss, cost plus profits. Morning money, don't leave it to markets. 522, 24, 25. 528, 530. Wow. 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 More booking. More booked out. So rest of the volume, trail your stop loss, cost plus profits, whatever you want. Take care of your trade. Don't make a mistake. Be a good trader. Be a pro. Trail your stop loss. Just move on. People can't imagine what is the operator game. OPS is guard, the guard of stock markets. 540, 547. What some bulk volumes like what trading on bulk volumes? Taken a stop loss of 15 points. You have your table in your desk. One is 3x, 4x. So done with the day. Take care about your trades. It's enough for Monday. It's really a good day. So anybody holdings, trail your stop loss, cost plus profits. So rest of the volume I kept my stop losses, cost plus 20 points profits. Now 510 I kept my stop loss, 560, 563, 564. So trail your stop loss and run. This is beautiful markets. Beautiful market. Pro players who are holding must plan a trailing stop loss and a stop loss. Who are buying on iceberg huge volumes must and should take care about your trades. Iceberg orders more than 10,000, 15,000, or 20,000 quantity. If you're bought, you must and should want to book your profits. I'm booking a slab out, so I kept my stop loss and a rate of exiting the position slabs. You want to be fast, you want to be quick, you want to be smart. This is stock market. 568 plus plus. Guys, think about your trades. What was your risk? What is your rewards? If you want to hold too much, you should plan it out. If not, profit booking, please learn it. It may be a grave, so you may lose both sides. So please book out very good money. It's beautiful money you're making it out. Rest of the volumes cost plus 30 40 points. You want to trail your stop loss. 580 ranges, sorry, 480 ranges buyers must and should must and should trail your stop loss cost plus 40 points now or 50 points now. Why do you want to give money to markets? It's been just 10 11 minutes of the markets. It's 9:26 39 seconds. It's running out. Don't make any mistakes. Don't regret later. It's good to make a beautiful money and a sensible move in the markets. So I trail my maximum number of stop losses using iceberg. Yeah, I have trailed my stop losses. If I'm getting more 34,954, if it's achievable, it's going to be 250 points. So 250 points if markets comes down, I'm going to make a huge money on this trade. So you want to have some patience. If we get it, so definitely I'm going to make it 735 or odd money. It's all depend upon the market condition and also how it's going to support us in a better way. 574, 573, 574, 575, 580. So trail a stop loss more now. Let's trail a stop loss more, more, and more. It's a two-way markets. Two-way market. You want to be hyper. You want to be hyper smart. You want to be superb. You want to be active. Awesome trade, guys. Two trades. Beautiful junction. 35,000 calls. Huge money. 3,500 puts. Huge money. How many X money we made, guys? Just calculate in your calculator if you have in front of table. Handle your positions with care. Trailing stop loss is much more required. On all your terms and conditions, I'm telling you, cost plus 70 points trailing stop loss now. Minimum 60 points is required on your trailing stop loss. Don't hold too much and make it a wrong and revenge trade. It's my humble, humble, humble request. Trail your stop loss maximum, max to max. 550, 560, you can trail your stop loss now. 597, 598, it's trading. If you're holding so much volumes, is my order going to complete? That is $1 million question. That is $1 million question. 600 orders. Some orders have executed, some orders are pending, huge volumes. I told you, right? Ranges have given you practical ranges. It has been taken out, the volumes are taken out by the operators. Good job, operators. I think 628 is nearby next terms. So it may achieve or not, I don't know, but have my rest with the care. 700 is the next ranges, and also 900 is on the card. It all depends now how it's going to trade, how it's going to happen now. Guys, TTR is the god of markets. TTR is one of the best of the market. You don't know how strong it is, what's the power of TTR and also OPSs. And also you want to have an experience knowledge on based on it. Huge experience is required. 620. So anybody holding 12 stop loss cost plus now 80 90 points, I think you should not leave money over here. I think 630 range, 626 high. They may break down, but there is a support zone. 35 115 is a support zone in futures. So please keep in mind and trade. Book your profits according to it. Don't be greedy. Don't make things nasty today. It's very, very important on a trading system today. Okay, 626 is the high. It's okay, beautiful money. So if you're done for the day, please leave for the day. No more trades. I'm done and dusted for the day. No more trades I'm going to give you. So please take care about your trades. Happy trading. 9:33. So a lot of things will be there in the pressure and different life and aspects. But as a trader, we are done and dusted for the day. 9:33. You can do whatever you want. You can enjoy your life. This is trading. This is stock market, and this is the way I trade and deal with money and markets. Take care, guys. Very soon there will be shocking news and also surprises in live trading sessions. So I'm going to tell you in a couple of days. Till then, chill, take care, Jai Hind, bye bye.